Hello and welcome to the Nexus. Today we are going to be doing issue 14, stage 52, which is just here. One more panel to go on, and we're going to be adding some stuff to this section that we had in issue 51, which is the lower frame of our warp nacelle. So without further ado, let's just get this open and get going. Okay, here we are. So I'm just gonna slice down here, like so. Pull this bit out, making sure we've got the screws. Pull this bit out, and these bits out, like so. So I've got some few screw bits here. We're going to have to get our lower frame section. Yep. Okay. So these just are going to pop out. Easier said than done. Let's do the warp nacelle section. So it's the lower frame that we're going to have. Just here. This section is going to go on like that. Oh, like so. This is going to go over there, and we're going to use BM screws to secure that in. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so as you can see, we have done that. So that's the lower section. So effectively we'll put a cover over this, and obviously I think we connect the two up, or this goes on first. I'm not entirely sure, but we will find out in due course. But that's what that part is, so that needs to go to the side again. We have got we're going to put the BM screws away, because the BM screws are going to be used for putting this panel onto the saucer section. So we're going to grab the transport emitter, which is this little section just here, pull that back in off, and we're just going to place that into the recess, just like that. And then once again, we're just going to place our windows on, and then we've got our panel with the lights here. We're going to be doing black and red this side, and yellow and green this side, like that. But we've done the windows before, so I'm going to go ahead and put all that together. These go on with DM screws as always. So that will sit just like that when that's all done. These are the lights, these are the windows I should say, and these are the DM screws. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, and there we are. That is how it should look, and along the front there. Now I haven't been testing these because I want to do a big test when they're all connected. I know they all work, because I did test all the lights before putting them all in, but I haven't tested them in here yet. But that panel's there. We're going to grab our saucer section just here, and we need to flip it up. So this is going to sit in here, so this is going to go through here, like so, and it's going to sit in here if we can get it in. And then we're going to stick some BM screws on the underside just here. So I'm going to go ahead and stick all this down now. Okay, so now that panel is in place, we'll put BM screws, just 3 of them, just in the top section there. We're going to grab this wire, put it into where we'll put in the rest of them. So there should be only 2 left on this second board at the back. So there we go. So there should be only 2, or this top one should only be 2 left now. If we flip it round, you can see just how close we are now to actually finishing it. I think this big panel here, there's a big panel that runs along here. It's going to look so good. There it goes. Look at that. Impressive. Right, okay, so as always, make sure you click like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching, and as always, we'll catch you at the next video, guys. See you later.